Smokey all this week, and we're going to take a break this morning. We got a package in the mail. Not a huge package. If you don't know what it is by that logo, you'll know it by that one. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Oh my! So this is the rear kit for the S14. All right, love stickers. Let's put that back there. This is a rear Wisefab kit for the S14. Oh my! Now the main reason I went with this was because of the dual brackets, the dual caliper brackets. It's already got them made on there for you. And you can buy a bunch of components, but this is not going to be a street car at all. It's going to be a straight track car, which is why, you know, putting together a lot of components to get everything that you would attain by buying this kit would be almost as expensive. Now, granted, it's not the same price. This is more money, but for the cost and effectiveness, this is a much better route to go for our car since it is strictly for the track. I'm not really sure how Wisefab would work on the streets. I don't think it's necessary by any means for a street car, but for a track car, if you want to go out and do the absolute best you can and see how far you can push yourself and have your maximum adjustability, this is definitely the kit for you. So there's your control arms right there. Not control arms. Here's your spindles right there. Got everything you need, it looks like. Let's see what else we got in here. I got your lower A-arms right there. There's the other side to the spindle. And then we've got just the rest of the arms to complete the kit. Awesome. Pretty simple unboxing, not much to it. All the components are here. It'll be a little while before we put this on. We haven't quite got the car ready yet, but once it gets back from paint, we'll take it up to the Drift Shack 2.0 and we'll put it up on the lift and we'll start doing a bunch of work to the rear end. Maybe put some solid diff bushings in there, install this kit, see how far the wheels are going to stick out, and at that point be able to measure for a set of wheels because we don't actually have wheels for it yet. I'm not sure how far this is going to make it stick out, but otherwise, let's just open one of these up here. Get a good feel. Very well wrapped. And when I ordered this, it didn't take long to get it all. I think this one only took like 4 days to get here. We're still waiting on the rest of the suspension, but when you actually break this down and look at it, I mean, the welds are just amazing. The powder coating is done in a beautiful blue color. The geometry of these things just amazes me. They just look awesome. They look like something you would put on a race car. Number 2 is what this one is. So, man, these are just a great looking quality product. Now, once again, I've never driven on Wisefab, so this is going to be a learning experience for me and everybody that's helped me along the way. And hopefully we can learn how to adjust. It does come with directions right here. It's a pretty simple install sheet, just one page. It shows you where to put the components, which obviously if you work on your own car, you're going to know that. But it says at the bottom, if you still have trouble installing the kit, contact us, and it gives you an email, and it also gives you a telephone number that you can call, so I'm sure someone would help you if you needed some assistance. What I really like about this sheet is it gives you recommended alignment specs. So before we take it over to the alignment rack, instead of one wheel having 10 degrees of negative camber or something like that, it tells you where to set recommended. So, but it also tells you that all lengths are preset by Wisefab, no need to adjust before alignment. That's what I was getting at, is they put them at adjustments that are normal instead of having one way out here or way in here. As you can see, all of the links have the Heim joints put in them already and pre-adjusted. So that's pretty cool because it would already be complicated enough to install something with this many adjustable points. So very wise of them to put the recommended specs on there for the track, and also to put the links already set. So I'm gonna go find somewhere cool to put these stickers, maybe on this toolbox right behind me. If you have any other questions or comments, let me know down below. If not, we'll see you in the next video.